Hello everyone, this is Abhay, and in this video we're gonna see how we can work with ExpressJS in Node. So basically, before getting started, you should know the Node is already on your computer or not. If not, go and install from the official site, which is nodejs.org. When you're going to click on this will going to directly uh, give you to the download section and install the latest version Node on your computer. So let's see, as I have already installed on my Mac, I will not going to install it again. So let's go to the terminal and check the version of Node which I have. So type node bracket version, and this is going to give you the version of Node which you have, and then we are going to check the version of npm which we have, and this is 3.10.10. so this will going to give you the version of npm which you have on your computer. Then after this, let's get started working with the project. So I will rename it as node express. So this is going to be the node express. So basically we also need one text editor, so for that I'm using this visible code. Just drag the folder into the visible code and go to the terminal and type npm in it. This will going to install the package.json. So yeah, so after this, just give the project name, and this will going to be node test. Give the version, I will just give it same as it is. I just give the description if you want. Endpoint will going to be index.json. I'm ready for this. Test command, I'm not going to give any test command. Get repository, now I'll just give pressing enter author name. I will going to give the author name, and you can also give, if you want, give the license, yes and yes, and this will going to create the package.json in the folder. And then after this, we have to install express. Okay, for that, type npm install my space dash dash save, and then type express. Okay, this will going to install express on your computer, as I already did, so I will not going to install it again. And after doing this, create new folder in it, as we have endpoint of index.js, so I will give the same name here. This will be index.js. So let's go and let's try to run the server. So for that, we are going to give var app, and in this we will require express. Okay, express, and call the function. And after this, we are going to use get method to get the response and give the initial route here. And this will require two parameters. One is going to be the route, where this will going to be route. Okay, so and then after that, a function. Okay, so we will going to pass function, and which will going to have two parameters. First will going to be request, and second will be response. Curly braces, and this will going to dot send. Okay, so this method we are going to use, and let's try something like hello coders. So this is the string which this will going to return. Okay, then after that, just type app dot listen. In this will going to listen on port, give the port number, and let's try to run this. So just save the file. For running this, type node mon and the file name, that is index.js. Let's see, I spelled it wrong. So now server is up and running. Let's see if this is listening. Go to the port 4000. Yeah, hola, the code is running fine. Let's change something here. So let's type hello coders, we love to code. So as I save this file, this will automatically save everything. You just have to restart here. So we don't have to go and terminate this terminal and start everything up. So node mon is doing everything for us. So let's this is the simple thing. Now what we are going to see is if we want parameter from id. So let's give some id. I want id here. Okay, so if we pass any id from url, we want to print this is id. Okay, so let's give request dot params, and that will be id which is been passed up here. So let's start this again, give something like I will give id here. Let's see, the id is being passed and paused by the server. And now second thing what we're going to look is if we want to relocate this. Okay, so we want to route to another page, and for this what we're going to do is just type other. Okay, so other. Okay, what this will going to do, this will going to route to the next router. Okay, so if we will this will just type here other, this. So this is the other page of this. Okay, type other here, so you guys don't have get confused. Okay, so this is the other one, and if I erase the other from here, this will route to the initial. Okay, so this is the initial get, and this will the other. Okay, this is the this will route to the other. And now if we want to attach some file or in a HTML file here, for that we are just going to write like index.html. okay, so this is our HTML one, HTML page. Okay, so this is the HTML page. What we're going to do, we will call get method here and just type the HTML page, and instead of send, we will send the whole file, and this will require two things: underscore directory name and plus the name of the file. So the name of file is /html index.html. Just pass it here, type Control S, and let's see if this is working. HTML page. Hola, this is also working here. Something is okay, so thing is this is calling this one. Okay, So why this is not working here? Let's see what's the problem. So it might be making some confusion for that. I'm just removing it. Let's see if this is working or not. So presently this has not been saved. Let's try to do this again. Stop this. Yeah, so that might be making the server confused. So for that, you just initial route will not going to be using any IDs or parameters, and after that when we are going to call this route html.page, this will automatically going to route to this HTML. Okay, so for confirming I will check it again. Check. Okay, see if there is a limitation. Yeah, so you're just directly calling this HTML page. So thank you so much. This is Abhay. If you have any queries, please write in the comment and I will try to conquer them. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a great day and be safe in this corona. uh, Best of luck. Bye bye.